Hey everyone, welcome to Prompt Engineering. How to talk to AI. In fact, in order to get the most beneficial of artificial intelligence, you need to know how to talk to it. That's when it comes what we call it prompt engineering. Prompt engineering, in short, is the process of refining, enhancing, and instructing the large language model to generate a more accurate and specific response to your question. Let's make it simple for everyone, especially for you as a just user, to talk to artificial intelligence to get the most benefit. Prompt. What is prompt itself? Prompt itself is a set of instructions that will guide the large language model to generate a response. In that moment, you need to know how to talk to artificial intelligence. So in order to talk to artificial intelligence, you need to know its language. You need to know how can you build the perfect prompt that you can provide to artificial intelligence so you will get the most accurate answer. Here is it. We have a golden rules for prompt engineering. Rules are simple. You need to know the structure of your prompt. Structure of your prompt is contained mainly of three parts. First one is the role. What role you would like artificial intelligence to play. Second one is the context, which means what would you like from this artificial intelligence to understand about your task. What do you want from artificial intelligence to do? Third one is instructions. What exactly you want the artificial to do. So mainly you have it rule, context, and instructions. That's how can you refine and how can you guide large language model to produce any response to meet your requirements. Let's speak about few techniques of speaking to artificial intelligence. Open your artificial intelligence agent, ChatGPT, Deepseek, or whatever, and you will start instructing it as it is. Act as. Like that's a role. Consider yourself a. That's a role. Context. I am stuck in this point and this point is doing 1, 2, 3. I would like to cook something and this ingredients, it should be something like that. I would like to travel somewhere. That's a context. Instructions. Provide me a good plan for my trip to whatever. Provide me with a perfect recipe for cooking something. Provide me with that. So in simple words, you tell the artificial intelligence, act as the role what you would like, context what you would like this artificial intelligence to do for you, and third one is exactly instructions how to generate the response. In sample, we have some techniques. First one, it's called one shot. One shot is when you provide the artificial intelligence with a small sentence and you will let the artificial intelligence to think by itself and to provide you some clever or some intellectual or whatever, some more guidance that you would like to do it. Second, it's a few shots. That when you provide the artificial intelligence with examples to follow, like let's say that I would like to travel to this place and for example I knew my friend traveled to this area and he was doing that and this and that and this and that and this. So that's example to guide the artificial intelligence. Usually your prompt it could be structured as like chain of thoughts that you would like the artificial intelligence to do something by steps. Step 1 this, step 2 this, step 3 that. So now you're already providing an instruction as a few shots at the same time as a chain of thoughts. Also, you can make a chain of prompts, which means you will give an artificial intelligence a prompt, you ask for something, you will get a response back, and then you will ask for, after you get this response, you will read through the response, then you will give another prompt. So everything will be in the same, we call it thread. In that thread, you instruct the artificial intelligence to go step by step, prompt by prompt, until at the end you get clearly what you are looking for. There is something called Directional Stimulus Prompt, DSP, which means that when you provide the artificial intelligence, you provide some hints. Hints are short. Like I would like to do that, hint, it looks blue. I would like to travel there, hence it's Spain. So by this way, you guide your artificial intelligence using some hints and keywords to generate specific response. We have also generate knowledge prompt, GKP. In this GKP, you instruct the artificial intelligence to first provide you with some base knowledge. Then you ask artificial intelligence to provide you the context from its own. Your second prompt will be based on what you provided to me. Please give me that and this and this. Let's say, for example, that you would like to travel to Egypt and you don't know anything about Egypt. So you will ask artificial intelligence act as a local guide in Egypt, for example, and provide me with the most beautiful places, historical, tourist attractions, etc. It will provide you with that. Then your second prompt will be instruction. So please now provide me with a 10 days plan, with 1 week plan, with whatever plans, including what you from places from your responses before. Generally, artificial intelligence conversation is art. You can reform your prompt, you can enhance your prompt, you can daily work on that prompt. Every day you write something, you can refine it tomorrow. It's all based on what you're looking for. How can you talk to artificial intelligence and what instructions you would like this artificial intelligence to provide you? What do you want from artificial intelligence? How you can form your question. When you write a prompt, remember to provide role, context, and instructions. You may provide them in any order you would like, but they have to be in your prompt. By this way, you will guide the artificial intelligence to provide you with a response regardless of your technical background or what you are looking for from artificial intelligence. Hopefully that was simple. So see you next time. Thank you.